Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn jQuery UI sortable option. This is the sortable is very important where you can give and provide a solution for the user to make it items to be like a comfortable with to sorting the UI. Or else if you want to use like alignment of the sortable by using this sortable technique, also you can put it as in a data variants and you can apply with this sortable to make an arrangement. Now see this very simple excitement demonstration here. Like first item I am making into the sorting to like last one. See there, and some around I am changing all the order of the things. You can make it. You would wish to change all the things. One where it is, four where it is. I don't know. Some around I have done something. This is the wonderful option is available in jQuery UI. If you don't want these orders and you want to make it as a by default way, it will be refresh the page and you will be rearranged. Right? For this, what you need to do is a simple like taking an UL like an order list items and the list items I have added something like this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 classes of the items I have added here and moreover what I have done here to see I will check with that like this function I have added for Java like a jQuery. What is this? This is the ID for UL. It is called here with the hashtag and which is the function it is called by this is the jQuery sortable function. That's it. Nothing I have applied more. And this all the code will be available in jQuery. Also you can use these all are one by one the most useful tools we are going to be discussing now. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.